This is the prep packet video for Unit 4, Chapter 9.6, and this is for objective number 5, where we work on dividing out common factors from the numerator and the denominator. Sometimes you are able to simplify a radical expression by dividing out common factors from the numerator and the denominator. And this again relies on some other skills that you've been working on, both in this course and in other ones. If you had a fraction that looked like this, you would know that you'd be able to find the common factors in the 5 and the 10 and leave behind 1 and 2, and you'd be able to work on that. You also know that if you had 10x plus 20 over 5, that you'd be able to simplify and reduce. So that would be the same as 10 times x plus 2 over 5. And again, you'd be able to cancel out here. So all of those skills we're going to use doing this. So when we start out with this particular setup, we have 4 times the square root of 5 plus 12 all over 4. So what you can do is find the common factor in the coefficient and in the constant. Remember, you can't really do anything with what's inside the radical. So here the common factors would be 4. So I'll have 4 times the square root of 5 plus 3 all over 4. And my 4's will cancel out, leaving behind square root of 5 plus 3. Again, these are skills that you've developed and that I know you're already really good at. We're just reminding you that you can do them with this kind of a setup as well. So here, I'm in good shape. I don't have any radicals in the denominator, so I can go right to work and simplify. First, I'm going to look at the coefficient and the constant here, and I notice that they both are multiples of 9. So if I pull out a 9, left behind will be the square root of 3 minus 2 over 9, and those will cancel out, and that's what I'm left with. Here I'm going to do the same thing, 6, 8, and again, I'm ignoring what the radicand is. What's inside the radical I can't play with. So here I'm going to take out the common 2, and that's going to leave behind 3 root 2 minus 4, and that's all over 2, and those will cancel out and leave me with that. Remember, this is over 1, as is this, so you'll end up with just a whole number. Again, pretty basic stuff. You're confident with it, but I want your brain to get used to working on it when there's a radical involved, and to remember that you can't touch that when you're factoring. So go ahead and get a little more practice and do the U-tries on page 570 and include your work with your prep packet. And that's it for Chapter 9.6. We'll see you next time.